You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast because they trust in you. Isaiah chapter 26 verses 3. Hello beautiful family, a very cozy and warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so very much for coming back. On the menu today, we will be making assorted fish and mushroom light soup. Fam, it is just so cozy and mouth-watering. Amazing. If you want to know how to make this soup, please be sure to stay tuned. Let's get started. So as the title goes, we have here our assorted fish, we have some tilapia fish and red snapper fish, and lots of vegetables to make the soup extra delicious. I'll list each and every one ingredients below as well. So here we have 2 medium size of white onions and 2 shades of mushrooms you're going to add to this. We have our portabella and we have our oyster mushrooms, which I love. And I also have some smoked catfish to add to this amazing soup. So we are done, family. Very few ingredients needed. To begin with, I like to blend all my natural spices. These are onions, ginger, garlic, and I use some rosemary and fennel seed. As simple as that. I kept it really simple, and that is it. That the blending is going on, I'll go ahead now and season my fish real quick. So this fish has already been washed with lime juice and cleaned very well, as you can see. So I went in with my fish seasoning, use any of choice, okay? And I also added some salt as well. Be sure to mix them very well. This way you know that each and every fish is well seasoned. So once that is done, go ahead and add everything to your pot. To that, go ahead and add your blended natural spices. This is about 4 to 5 tablespoons. Save a little bit for later. I'll show you what I'll do with that. And go ahead and add a tablespoon of tomato paste as well. Cover it and on low medium heat, allow it to simmer or steam. Okay, let's cook our vegetables on the side. Here I have some tomatoes, pepper, zucchini, and some carrots. This make your soup very thick and very tasty. I'll also be adding 1 medium size of onion to this and add about half cup of water. Cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Preferably you can cook this with together with your fish, but I don't want anything to be breaking here, okay? So to the fish, I also went ahead to add 1 cup of water and allow it to steam for extra 5 minutes. Now, let's work on our mushrooms. You do not have to be having boring mushroom all the time, okay? So wash your mushrooms very well and create some incisions on it like this. And once you're done, add a bit of your blended natural spices that you earlier on used on your fish and some salt. Season it, and then you will be pan grilling it. If you have charcoal grill, you can absolutely do that. I bet you're going to love your mushroom more and more. It is so good. For some reason, if you do not or haven't ever tried mushrooms in your soup, please do well to begin that. So mushrooms are known for its richness in vitamin D, and it's also very good for your heart. And let me tell you, they are so chewy and sometimes feel like you're chewing meat. I love mushrooms so much. Truly amazing they are. So please go ahead and toast it around for about 5 minutes and you should be done. I even prefer it on my charcoal pots because it tastes better. Honestly, they are so good. Back to the base of our soup we go. So this fish has been steaming for the past 7 minutes or so on a very low medium heat, okay? So we are going to add our smoked catfish and our grilled mushrooms, which are absolutely delicious. And once this soup does not take long for it to be ready at all, so I'm going to drain or strain the water from which I boiled the vegetables, because these contain all the vitamins and nutrients that we need. And I'm going to go ahead and blend the vegetables and then add it back to the soup. As simple as that. It is so delicious and very, very easy to make. And since we're making light soup, we want it extra light or to your preference. Okay, so I added a bit of water here, about half cup of water. Stir it gently and allow it to cook or boil for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes, not more. And before you could say Jack, your soup should be ready. Smells heavenly. So good. Add extra green chili peppers or paposhito and you should be ready. So good. Smells heavenly. You need to try this, fowl. Of course, if you have this amazing soup like this, you only think about fufu. If you're a fufu person, it goes so well. And oh my goodness, this fufu was super soft, just the way I love it. This fufu was made with plantain and cassava. I do have a recipe of that. I'm going to link it here and below as well. We are ready. You know, I always love my fish head, so that is what I'm going to grab first. It is so good. And surely pair this with your rice, salmon, kinky, you name it, or just sip it on its own. It's so good. If you have a fever, go for this soup. You'll be so well after you finish having this. I promise you that. It's so amazing. Thank you so very much, family, for watching. I truly enjoy your company, and I'm so thankful that you watched it right till the end. Please kindly give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe, and also share to a few friends and family. It really helps this channel grow. Okay, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Bye. This was so good.